In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renko candles on TradingView step by step. Renko charts are a great way to filter out market noise and focus on meaningful price movement. Unlike time-based candlesticks, Renko bricks are built only when price moves by a set amount, which can make trends easier to spot and help you stay objective. Start on any TradingView chart. On the top toolbar, look for the chart type icon next to the timeframe menu. Click it to open the list of available chart styles and choose Renko. Your chart will immediately switch from traditional candles to a series of uniform bricks that move up or down with price. Remember, because Renko ignores time, the spacing won't be based on minutes or hours. It's entirely driven by price movement, which is why it can feel calmer and more structured than standard charts. Next, let's fine-tune how those bricks are built. Click the gear icon directly on the chart to open chart settings. In the settings window, go to the symbol tab, sometimes labeled inputs, depending on your layout. This is where you control the backbone of your Renko chart. You'll see options for Renko box size. Fixed price lets you set an exact amount for each brick, like a specific number of dollars or pips. This is useful if you want a consistent lens across sessions. ATR-Based adjusts the brick size dynamically based on volatility, using the average true range. When markets heat up, bricks get larger. When they calm down, bricks get smaller. This can help the chart adapt to changing conditions, but it may also make historical comparison a bit less uniform. If you're unsure where to begin, start with the default ATR settings, then experiment to see what best reveals trends for your asset and time frame. You can also adjust the reversal method. This defines how large a countermove needs to be before the chart prints a brick in the opposite direction, and whether to consider only closing prices or allow intrabar highs and lows to influence brick formation. A stricter reversal method filters more noise but reacts slower. A more sensitive method reacts faster but may produce more whipsaws. Pick the approach that matches your strategy and risk tolerance. When you're happy with the inputs, click OK to apply the changes. Take a moment to zoom in and out to see how the structure of trends becomes clearer, and notice how support and resistance can stand out when time-based fluctuations are removed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.